Welcome dear students. Today in this video I will discuss about types of tournaments. It's very interesting and very important topic for the point of view of exam. Okay, a tournament is that series of sports in which one team finally wins and rest of teams lose the matches. Means take the example of IPL in which only one team gets champion trophy and rest of team loses somewhere like in semi-final, some in quarter final and some in league matches, that is tournament. Okay, next point is importance of tournament. It is already given in our textbook and it's very easy to learn. You just catch the main point. I don't think that कि इस पॉइंट को डिस्कस करने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. नाउ कम टू आवर मेन पॉइंट. नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट और एलिमिनेशन टूर्नामेंट मीन्स हारी हुई टीम एलिमिनेटेड मीन्स बाहर हो जाती है एंड विनिंग टीम कंटिन्यू विथ टूर्नामेंट. ओके, now I will discuss about some advantages and disadvantages. Due to less matches, it's very less expensive. For reducing the chances of elimination, all teams play well. So कहीं ना कहीं स्पोर्ट्स का स्टैंडर्ड भी इम्प्रूव होता है एंड ड्यू टू लेस मैचेस ऑफिशियल्स की रिक्वायरमेंट भी कम रहती है. डिसएडवांटेजेस. अब एडवांटेज है तो डिसएडवांटेज भी है. फर्स्ट डिसएडवांटेज इज दैट चांसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन आर मोर. 50% चांसेस आर देयर इन एवरी मैचेस. एक टीम बाहर होती है मीन्स या तो टूर्नामेंट में रहेंगे या बाहर हो जाएंगे एंड स्पेक्टेटर्स को भी वो भी अनुमान लगा लेते हैं कि एट द एंड ऑफ टूर्नामेंट कौन सी टीम विजेता होगी, तो उनका भी इंटरेस्ट कहीं ना कहीं कम होता जाता है. Okay, next is league tournament or we can say round robin tournament. There are two types of tournaments, single league tournaments and double league tournaments, in which all the participants team play with every other teams. यहाँ पर विनिंग या डिफीट में डिफीट से कोई मतलब नहीं है. And in double league tournament, each team play with every other teams twice. दो बार खेलेंगी एंड रिजल्ट के बेस पे उन्हें पॉइंट्स मिलते रहते हैं. ओके, एडवांटेजेस ऑफ लीग टूर्नामेंट. ड्यू टू मोर मैचेस, अगर एक दो मैचेस में परफॉर्मेंस डाउन हो गया तो भी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम ही विजेता होती है एंड every team gets more chances to show the performance. Due to more matches, sports standard may increase and it helps to officials to judge the performance and spectators को भी ज़्यादा मैचेस देखने का मौका मिलता है. एंड come to the disadvantages. In comparison to knockout, league tournament takes more time, it required more arrangement and it's very costly. And again मैचेस हारने से टीम्स साइकोलॉजिकली डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है. ओके, नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट कॉम्बिनेशन टूर्नामेंट. देयर आर 4 कैटेगरीज: नॉकआउट कम नॉकआउट, लीग कम लीग, नॉकआउट कम लीग एंड लीग कम नॉकआउट. In knockout come knockout tournament, numbers of teams to be divided into 4 zones and matches conducted on basis of knockout. After the zone matches, all the zone winners teams again play matches on basis of knockout. Next type में will follow same procedure but जोन मैचेस एंड जोन विनर के मैचेस के टाइप्स चेंजेस होते जाएंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट. Okay, now come to next point, consolation tournament. It's may possible that in knockout matches some good teams may be eliminated from beginning. For avoid this situation, consolation tournament will be organized in which in the first type of consolation tournament the team defeated in the first round get the chance to play and in second type of the second type all the defeated teams get chance to play in it. Okay, our next point is bye. As per our knowledge, a bye refers to a dummy team that does not play in the first round but participates in the second round. Yes, student, I will explain with one example. Okay, for example, if 12 teams are participating, the matches will be 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. First of all, teams will be divided into two parts, and for getting by, we can reduce the number of team from next power of 2 that after come from number of teams that 16. That means for 4 bytes will be given. I hope you are understood. Okay, students, we'll continue tournaments topic in next video.